Hey guys, hope everybody's okay. I was talking with one of my clients today because they've been watching a TV program, and on the TV program they were talking about the 5-2 diet. Now, if you've heard of that, great. If not, I'll explain what that is. So the 5-2 diet. Okay, the 5-2 diet is you fast for 2 days. Now, that doesn't mean you don't eat anything. It's you eat one meal of up to 600 calories. And then their definition of it is you can eat freely for the other 5 days. Well, I'm gonna dispel that myth for you today, because if you only have one meal on 2 days and then think that you're going to be able to eat what you want for the other 5, I'm really sorry, but it's just not going to work out the way that you anticipate, and you're going to just get on this weird little merry-go-round where you're thinking you're doing great and actually you're not doing anything at all. You're stood still and you're fasting 2 days a week, which can have a psychological effect on quite a lot of people. So what I am going to talk about is I'm going to give you some information, and then you can make the choice for yourself whether you think what you want to do on this 5-2 diet is good, or whether if you want to just follow a regular calorie control diet, you will choose to do that. I know which I prefer, and I'll talk you through that. Okay, so 5-2 diet, okay? So I know from experience and a bit of science that an average lady to lose around 2 pounds a week needs 10,500 calories per week. Okay, and that's important, so remember that. So if we divide that by 7 days, and I've done some of the maths for you, the math. Regular calorie controlled diet, typical lady, 1,500 calories a day. That's my recommendation. 7 days, 10,500 calories. Okay, so you can have 3 500 calorie meals a day. Okay, so now we're going to go to the 5-2 diet. And this is where this diet's going to fall down. So, we're still 10,500 calories a day. If we have our 600 calorie meal, 2 days, that's 1,200 calories out of our 10,500 calorie pot. Okay? That leaves us with 9,300 calories to eat over 5 days, or 1,860 calories a day. Okay, so let's break that down as clearly as we can. If you eat what you want, for 5 days, and you are going above that, which is very easy to do. If you think that you're going to be, you've not had anything to eat, you're going to be eating still like burgers and pizzas, chocolate, crisps, that sort of stuff, and thinking, well, I'm doing great because 2 days of the week, I only have one meal. That's just not going to work out. Unless you stick to that 1,860 a day on them 5 days, you are not going to lose any weight. Sorry. So my preference and what I like my clients to do, and this is the way I get them to be more successful, I get them to just eat regularly, 1,500 calories a day. Now, this gives us 3 500 calorie meals. Mindy sneezing. Or we can have 3 400 calorie meals and a snack of 300 calories, okay? So I know which I would prefer to do. I know that I would prefer to eat 3 times a day and have 1 or 2 small snacks. For me, I prefer to eat 3 times a day, rather than eating once a day and then thinking that I can gorge for 5 days. So that's the reality of the 5-2 diet. You are still going to need to be below 1,860 calories a week as a typical lady to lose around 2 pounds per week. Okay? I hope that has helped you have a little think about the 5-2 diet and whether it is or it isn't for you. I shall see you again soon. Bye bye.